Refrigerator negotiation, seller Shayna Moore.
In order for me to give you all the variations that you need, we can see a delivery date that where all refrigerators will get delivered at the same time, and also the best bet that I can give you for delivery is within 14 weeks, if that works. And then you'll get all the variations that you need. You can pay that day. So we have 14 weeks to like get your payments together. And pay that day, and you would be able to get all the variations that you need.
I'm not gonna be able to wait 14 weeks. Can't do that, unfortunately.
Okay.
So, let's see. I really am banking on this getting it immediate delivery. And then again, as many variations as I can. And obviously, having a little bit of credit would be nice too. Obviously, I understand I'm not gonna be able to get all that I want.
Yes.
So,
So let's see. Okay. We're not going to be able to do immediate delivery.
okay.
Maybe we can settle with.
Strength number 1, determining the resistance point. By providing the buyer with my terms on payment, delivery, and variation amounts, I was able to see what her resistance point on delivery was based on her response to each term. This began the many concessions on the terms above. This allowed me to get near her target point of 9 variations. The more variations she had, the more time it would take to get the product delivered to her. Her resistance point on delivery is now met. Weakness number 1. By telling my buyer that I could not do any immediate delivery, I expressed my resistance point on delivery time. This made it easier for the buyer to work around my resistance point, asking for a 6-month payment plan. At this point, another concession occurred.
So hello, Beverly Frills. So I know that you are out. I know that you are in the market for refrigerators.
Correct.
So what are you looking for?
I need
That way it can better help me out to help you out.
starting on
Yes, the $2,000 per quantity.
fridge and how many total
Yes,
fridges.
100.
So what I'm looking for from you is a quick delivery time so I can get it to my consumers.
Yes.
That's something that we really stand for is a really quick delivery time. Then obviously there's a bunch of different product variations that come with the fridge.
Strength number 2. Distributive negotiation, win-lose. In the opening of the negotiation, I asked the buyer what she was looking for. This allowed me to pinpoint her target points. By knowing her target points, I was able to work around them, getting myself more points in the negotiation. Weakness number 2. I ended up giving the buyer more variations than I had originally planned. I was focusing on one of my terms, payment upon delivery, the most. This allowed the seller to get more variations out of me. I stuck to my target point of payment upon delivery. Deal made.
So let's go back to our deal.